Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about how can you make lip liner, that is how can you draw line on your lips. So let's begin. First of all, you need to apply lip balm on your lips as she's doing. So the next thing you need is pencil liner, which will allow you to draw on your lips. And liquid lipstick. Now just apply these all materials, that is lip balm, lipstick liner and lipstick on your lip as she is doing. So this is how you can make lip liner on your lips. So thank you so much for watching our videos. Guys, do like, subscribe and share our videos so that we can make new and more videos